We're here at Supreme Auto. We just had to slime this tire because we had a flat. We're going to show you how to clean the slime out, check for the puncture, repair it professionally, and get going thanks to slime. First we'll let the air out. Take the valve core out.
You can see some of the products already, on the bead of the tire here.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
Right in that little hole right there. I just picked it out of the way and you can see it. There's a little knot of sealant.
Okay.
We're going to put some cleaner. We're going to wipe all the grime and slime off. So we've added the weight and that zeroes all the way across. Perfectly balanced.
Okay, thanks to Supreme Automotive, we just repaired this tire for the customer. I'm sure they're going to be real satisfied that they didn't have to buy a new tire. And Ed, are you the president of Supreme Automotive?
Correct.
All right. Thanks to Ed. Thanks to Supreme Automotive and Slime, we are saving tires, saving time, saving rides, saving money, saving races for all you off-road guys, and saving the environment by less tires going into landfills. Thanks, Ed.